Let's check 20 things under 699. First is smart kitchen gadgets and utensils. Number 1. The classic manual not pull but push cord vegetable chopper. Save time chopping onions, tomatoes, and chilies without electricity in less than 10 seconds. Number 2 is a massive money saver. Instead of using plastic wrap, use silicone stretch lids. They stretch over bowls, fruits, or open cans and create an airtight, leak-proof seal to keep food fresh. Number 3 is a glass oil dispenser bottle with built-in silicone basting brush. No oil drips, just brush them smoothly on the torer and keeps your counters clean. Number 4 is for anyone who hates garlic smell on their fingers. This stainless steel garlic press rocker crushes cloves effortlessly and is easy to rinse. Before you throw away your dull kitchen knives, look at number 5, try different kitchen knife sharpeners. It repairs, sharpens, and polishes the blunt knives to make them razor sharp. Number 6 is a stainless steel mesh sink strainer. They catch every single grain of rice, tea leaf, and food crumb without blocking the water flow. When it's full, you just lift it and dump it in the bin. Number 7 is a treat for hot or cold coffee lovers. This battery-operated electric milk frother gives you cafe-style thick foam in about 20 seconds and is handy for whisking egg and shakes. Now, Section 2, Organizers. Number 8 is a set of clear, modular fridge storage bins. Categorize your fruits, vegetables, or dairy in clear containers and avoid food from going bad. Number 9 is a 360-degree rotating organizer. Place this in your fridge or on your dining table as it can help avoid knocking down multiple bottles. Number 10 are the hanging mesh baskets that uses the dead space. Create a brand new layer of storage for napkins, foils, snacks, or small items without drilling a single hole. Number 11 solves that annoying problem of brooms and mops constantly falling over. This is a self-adhesive wall mount holder available in single or multi-piece to keep your tools neatly lined up. Number 12 is a protective roll of waterproof, anti-slip shelf liners. You can easily cut these with scissors to fit your kitchen drawers, fridge shelves. They stop things from sliding around and protect your expensive woodwork from oil stains and scratches. Number 13 is a renter's dream, heavy-duty adhesive hooks. They hold a surprising amount of weight and stick perfectly to tiles, glass, or smooth wood. Use them to hang kitchen ladles, towels, or keys without drilling holes into your walls. Number 14 will fix your messy wardrobe with foldable fabric clothes organizer bins. They keep your clothes separated and allow you pull out one t-shirt without ruining the entire stack. We are at Section 3. Decor and smart utility. Number 15 is the viral motion sensor LED lights. Easy to stick, USB rechargeable, and it only turns on when it detects motion in the dark, giving your home a luxurious touch. Number 16 might look basic, but a microfiber cleaning cloth can grab dirt, absorb water like a sponge, and leave glass, countertops, and screens completely lint-free without chemical sprays. We are at 17, one of my faves. It's a 360-degree rotating tap nozzle that attaches to any standard kitchen tap and lets you switch between a soft splash-free stream and a high-pressure shower spray to make rinsing dishes so much fun. Number 18 upgrades your walls. These compact floating shelves lets you display small potted plants, books, or frames beautifully and add instant personality to your space. Number 19 is a multifunctional cleaning kit for your workstation. It safely removes all the hidden dust, oil, and crumbs hiding inside your keyboard, earphones, and mobile ports. And finally, number 20 adds calmness and luxury to your space with a scented soy wax candle. These beautiful aesthetic objects with subtle fragrance make your home feel like a sanctuary. There you have it, guys. 20 finds under 699. Links in description.